Hello, and welcome to Jags Tech World. Hey, I just wanted to give you a little update on what I'm doing. Right now, I am working on a Mario clone, as you can see here. I haven't got it all done yet, but this is the start of it. Show you what it does so far. Player moves. I haven't set the jump up to only be one jump at a time. That's what I got so far. Do have to work on the colliding because he does get stuck on things. Start of my second project in Godot. Also, I wanted to give you an update on the other game that I'm working on. I have really decided on what I'm going to do yet, but I'm trying it out in Tiled to make the maps. Or I might be going with making my own design, doing some artwork. I have started some concepts on that. Right here we got some concept art that I have for the map for my top-down game. Start off on the side of a mountain and a river. Go to the next scene. I'm actually going to put a bridge in there on the water. Walk around, go down the path. You get to this castle. It's all dark back. I'm thinking about doing this or sticking with tiled, or maybe do one of each just to see how it works. But so far, that's what I have. Still working on that game also. And I'm pretty happy with this Mario game. And just to give you a peek at the script, right now it's really short. This is all done in 3.0 release candidate 1. I know they're coming out with 2, they said, potentially by the end of the week or something like that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment,